Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today's topic is ascending order and descending order. How to arrange the fractions in ascending order and descending order, this we will understand today. See, for equal bottom fractions जिनका denominator equal हो, in that case greater top greater fraction means जिनका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ी होगी और जिसका न्यूमरेटर छोटा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन छोटी होगी. ओके, एंड फॉर इक्वल टॉप फ्रैक्शंस मीन्स जिनका न्यूमरेटर सेम हो, इन दैट केस ग्रेटर बॉटम स्मॉलर फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर है तो वो फ्रैक्शन आपकी क्या होगी, स्मॉलर होगी. ओके, फॉर इक्वल बॉटम फ्रैक्शंस greater top greater fraction. If the denominators are same, then the fraction with greater numerator is greater and smaller numerator is smaller. And for equal top fractions means if the numerators are same, then greater bottom smaller fractions means जिसका bottom greater होगा, जिसका denominator greater होगा, actually वो fraction क्या होगी, वो smaller होगी. Okay, let's understand with some examples. See, first question is arranged in descending order. We have to arrange these fractions in descending order. Means greater to smaller. See, here the numerators are same. That means the fraction whose denominator is greater is actually smaller fraction, and whose denominator is smaller is the greater fraction. See, denominators in ascending order is 12, 15, 17, 21 and 32. And we know that the fraction whose denominator is smaller is the greater fraction. And here we have to arrange the fractions in descending order, means greater to smaller. So the descending order, the arrangement in descending order is 7 upon 12, 7 upon 15, 7 upon 17, 7 upon 21 and 7 upon 32. Okay, this is arrangement in descending order because the fractions whose denominator is smaller is the greater fraction. Next is arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to greatest, and here the fractions have, all the fractions have same denominator. In that case the fraction with smaller numerator is smaller and greater numerator is greater. First of all, we will solve this mixed fraction 1 upon 11. It will be 11 ones are 11 plus 1, 12 upon 11. Okay, this is 12 upon 11. See, numerators in ascending order is 5, 6, 7, 10 and 12. Okay, numerators in ascending order are 5, 6, 7, 10 and 12. So the fractions in ascending order, fractions in ascending order are 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11, 7 upon 11, 10 upon 11 and 12 upon 11. Let's take one more example. Arrange in ascending order 3 by 4, 7 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. See, in this case the denominators are not same and also the numerators are also not same. So what we do, we will make the denominators same. We will convert it into like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. And LCM of 4, 8 and 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1. So LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Okay, this is the LCM. Now we have to make the denominators of all the fractions as 8. We are having 3 by 4, 7 upon 8 and 1 by 2. We have to make the denominators 8. So if I multiply the denominator of first fraction by 2, it will become 8. So it will be 6 upon 8. This we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 as 8 is already in the denominator, and in this we will multiply by 4 because 2 4s are 8. So this will become 4 upon 8. So fractions in ascending order are 4 upon 8, then 6 upon 8 and then 7 upon 8. अभी 4 upon 8 आया कहाँ से? 1 upon 2 से. Okay, 6 upon 8 from 3 by 4 and 7 upon 8 from 7 upon 8. Fine. So this is arrangement in ascending order if the denominators are different. Okay.